Veteran. Firstly, ako acknowledge yung ating the governor na nasigasing government ng Tapakan. Governor Ben Garcia, the David of the 5th District, Congressman Duke Frasco, Dr. Samuel Zarate, Director General, FDA, Tapakan, and all the VIPs that are here this afternoon, and all the VIPs that are here this afternoon, Tapakan sila. Welcome to Carmen, a small town with big dreams and a proud history. Taron Domingo this year, we will be celebrating the 52nd Sinu sa Carmen. It started with very simple beginnings, but now it has evolved to be the longest festival in the province of Cebu. Because of our year, one of the oldest images in the province of Cebu